what we are going to do is our first stretch and fold for both bread. What you want to do, you want to dip your hands in the water, just tiny bit of water on your hands in order to not to stick on the dough. Then you want to detach from the edges the dough with the forefinger all together, and then start the first stretch and fold. What the stretch and fold is a technique to increase the gluten development. It's going to be done with the forefinger all together and a thumb. So we're going to get underneath the more dough as we can, we pinch with the thumb, we pull gently, and then we fold towards ourselves. Then we pinch. If it gets stick on your hands, you can pinch. Then I'm going to turn the ball, and then again, forefinger all together. Careful not to open the finger, because sometimes we open the finger and the finger will go inside the gluten net. So we don't want to break the gluten net, we want to keep it very good. So we go underneath again, we stretch a little bit, and then we fold towards ourselves. We will do this action until the dough will feel a little bit more tight. So we'll turn again, underneath, stretch and fold. And you can see why this technique is called stretch and fold, because we're going to stretch and fold for a few times. Stretch and fold, and you're already noticing that the dough will detach from the ball always more. One more time, and you can see it's combining all together. I will go one more, and then what I usually like to do is to tilt the bread, and that's done. This is the first stage of stretch and fold.